Hi, Assalamualaikum. Have a nice day. I hope that you all stay safe at home. Before we start our lesson, let's recite the doa penerang hati and doa melihat cermin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Cumi cuci cermin. Doa melihat cermin.
Allahumma kama hasanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi.
Maksudnya,
Ya Allah, sebagaimana Engkau telah mengelokkan kejadianku, maka elokkanlah juga akhlakku.
Amin. My dear, do you remember about weather? It's okay you not remember. Let's revise about weather together. Okay, sunny in Malay, panas. Cloudy, mendung. Windy, maksudnya berangin. Wah, nyamannya, sejuknya berangin. Stormy in Malay, guruh. Cici nak lari baru masuk dalam rumah. Rainy in Malay, hujan. Macam kata pepatah Melayu, sediakan payung sebelum hujan. Okay, my dear, today we want to write number 14. Before we write number 14, let's join me revise number 1 until 20 using flashcard. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. First, you need to write down day and date. Okay, you need to write down day, Thursday, and then 18 of June 2020. This number is 14. How to write number 14? First, draw a straight line downwards till the bottom. Go back to the top and make a straight line downwards, and then go to the right, go back to the middle and make a small straight line downwards. Repeat same step. Now draw marbles until 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, hi. Okay, today we learn about part of a fish. Okay, tahu tak? Ikan hidup dekat mana? Ikan hidup dalam air. Okay. Okay, sekarang kita akan belajar tentang bahagian-bahagian ikan. Before I show you part of a fish, let's sing together. Okay?
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
Parts of a fish: eyes, mata, mouth, mulut, gills, insang, pectoral fin, sirip depan, tail, ekor, fin, sirip belakang. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe
On our channel YouTube.
I love you.
Bye.